Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to rectify Windows 10 error because lot of errors will be occurred. This is one of the error while we are updating for Windows 10. So right now we are going to see how to rectify. Now you can go and search, check for updates. Once you are coming to check in your update, it's showing some errors. Okay, see here error encountered. So while you're clicking that one, what is the error? That is what's showing here. Okay, it's showing for the drivers better than the current driver, so it is showing the error, it is not updating. So right now what you have to do, from the earlier step we have done, right? So you're going to check this one, it is not showing for exact error what it will be. So right now still it's loading longer time. So this is a case what we have to do, we have to download one application, that is like one code. Okay, then through that you have to run, because you need to troubleshoot those things. I will tell you how you have to do it. Based on that you can rectify and you can identify why it has occurred, this error, what is the problem while you are updating in your Windows. That is what we are going to see right now. Okay, this point created successfully. See, this is what the application you need to download. This one how you have to download, that I will tell you. While this one I am running in the at the last, I will tell you how you can download this one. Okay, once you download it, just you can run this one, it will detect in your Windows problem. Okay, it will show you what is a problem will be available while you are updating. That is what detecting problem right now. Okay, it will take 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes it will take it. So right now I'm passing, see here it's showing. So right now what you have to do, you can click for hide updates. Okay, if you're clicking for hide updates, then it will showing, see, these three type of error: Silverlight, as well as for antivirus updates, as well as in another update is also required. So some people they will select for three options same time and they can give us next. But right now what I'm doing, in a sense, one by one I am clicking, I am giving for next. That means I'm solving the problem one by one. Okay, so right now I'm clicking for the third option, then I'm giving for next. Okay, and it's loading for rectifying the problem. Let's see it's rectifying or not. Yeah, it is rectified. Okay, detecting the problem, it's rectified. Then right now it will take time. Okay, each and everything you're clearing the problem, right? Still you're checking, it is not. Why? Because we need to rectify those three problem, after that only it will be updated. That's the reason it is showing red color. Okay, what you have to do, again you can go for download it, then you can run same thing. Okay, now you can click for hide updates. Then now only available two problems, already you rectified one problem, now it is available only two problem. So you can click it either one or second, because one by one only we are rectifying the problems, right? So now I click for the second one, it is loading the it is fetching the problem, and after that it will rectify. Then again you can go and check for the Windows update, it will not rectify. Why? Because you need to solve for the third problem also. Once you resolve those three problem, automatically the Windows will show for updates. Okay, so it is required that software, after that only your Windows will be updated. See, right now it is fixed. Okay, so that means what, the problem will be resolved. Okay, now again you can go for download, then you can click and run same thing. Yeah, this one. Okay, because three times, right? Otherwise you can try for those three option in one time, but I did not try. Again it will show for some problem. That's the reason one by one I clicked and resolved the problem. Okay, right now I am trying, I am clicking this one, and you can give us next, and it will show for the problems. Okay, detecting problem, it will show. So this is a way detecting problems. Okay, then it will show. Again you can go and check for your updates, Windows update. See, it's showing for detecting, see, the third problem resolved. So that's the reason it's showing you are up to date. Okay, this is a way you can rectify those errors and you can update your Windows 10 properly. Okay, now I tell you how you can download that software, that is troubleshooting software, how you can download. That is what the option I will tell you. Okay, it is very clear also. I have mentioned in my description how you can download that software, and based on that how you can run it. Okay, same way you can do it, and you can get the software, you can resolve your problem. Okay, okay, it's loading, it's resolving 100%. It is not done. Yeah, now it is fixed, the problem has been resolved. Okay, now what you have to do, that is what the step, the second step will be how you can download that software. Okay, same YouTube channel, you can go my description below, I have given one link, right? That link you can click over here. It will open one window, then it will show for the minutes. See here, you can click it over here. Once you click this one, in another pop-up window will be showing. In that pop-up window it will show 3 seconds. Okay, once if it is coming for 1 second, then you can click over here as get link. Okay, yeah, get link, just you can click get link, and you can go before the window. Don't want to wait, it is loading, just you can click before one window will be open, and over here it will be download. Okay, click as download, and it will be downloaded over here. Yeah, see here, it is downloaded. That link only you have to click and troubleshoot your problem. You can identify your problem, based on that you can resolve it, and you can update your Windows 10 also. I think this will be very useful for you. If it is useful, you can subscribe my channel and share to your other people also. Thank you, friends.